Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana SM TV GH so wofre me Addo searching.
But Ghana Air Force Omuwie Mishaya Yempeni for the fan. Charlie. Those who are closer to the former president Bekano Krachewa, he has experienced this car about 3 or 4 times. I am telling you. Sa Ghana Air Forces ewie Mishaya ye ministers ye mampeni for the efano. Ehuna na na do ben prensa tamano ye mampeni. I remember in the few months to election 2024, the Tabaumia was traveling from Tamale to Kumasi. Nyamenkwa.
Arenti ashama.
Omubadu Kumasi no. Empenimfo ne bi a wono mu baaye a for flight na a go back to Accra. Omu driveway. Ebinu mususu afa commercial flight e de koi. Was it not yesterday? Yenranopa. And I'm at America. Said ye di be de ya ma yesem no. Ye dem kofo a omufo wiemu hyen enkwa edi agro. I was saying it yesterday. Here. Said these are 2 commercial flights. Hour any passion. Ultimate for about 10-15 minutes. Near announce say omonya technical challenge. When you have insiders, we hear Juma with the airline flight now, and they tell you say aviation fuel omudru kwan mu no
shorty
and omanya signal say entimi for umedru whether say omu kwatamale omu kwatakrade and omu be Kumasi
it was almost sign
me about 2 weeks ago say they see dimatemu kroma
say
mato ticket makodu airport and a passion air for ama me message. I still have it on my phone. Dear anybody else you do because of a technical challenge to me. I realized it was shortage of aviation fuel. Later, passionate for now issue statement at the kind. We should ask ourselves, say, what has been the changes on the arrangement we had on the supply of aviation fuel? Am I way by you know? Ejmako buy and the supply aviation fuel no. Eno mo ba ye hwan ye de ama wo mu minia Kwame Dapa man council MP why experience the same thing but UMC mu and ye do mu saye. There is a gentleman who comes here Foko, he has had the same experience countless o kwata kwade ye do come and assign me abesi. I have been on board of Passion Air made 1 hour 17 minutes with him
from Kumasi
about 3 years ago. It may until about a month ago. Passion now we am a day menful. That day flight no na munta kawum na credit can come na on I think on me or just so chrono baako on in penifo na good flight no so no. Didn't we know yenim sese yenim whether or whatever, but there have been reports of same incidents of flight, no, helicopter, no, any others. Yes, then Rakraba could be quiet force landing. I was central Jehovah. Blueby. Before this,
I know.
Do we know
what has been who that a private idea?
Your presidential jet. A deba some no could to one come from. And then Aquaka France.
And I'm able to say.
So everything is politicized. I
feel almost it boils down to
the NDC, the MPP.
Some at the last time I catch you because one,
everything.
I mean, from you were saying example, because the thing is, the life of president near paramount. So the Air Force One say you chop and
you part from by any reason, Mampani, Jari will fly to more ream. Near the Ayaman, someone, the life of the first gentleman of the land. And this is for by your presidential jet, and yet I was here talking for. But woman to me. Mampani, John Mahama Betu Kwaya, Sanjani near Ibrahim Mahama flighter, I just hear Kochatabi. Look at what we are doing to ourselves.
I understand our program was uncle.
Yes.
It's one on board.
That is how dangerous the situation is. He was supposed to be on a flight, helicopter, no, to attend the program, and no delegate will be. And then Kadeba Sameka. And do we know how much it was going to cost us? And now I realize Omane Buama is the only child of his mother.
Oh, and
the only child. You can do your politics. It can be CPP, it can be OBR, but ask yourself how many people depend on him. Such a gentleman.
He's serious.
Me found one of the Wakatia MPP, me found one whatever, but oh, you're somebody's breadwinner. And I'm on your semunti. Now you know what? And no metia I say, hey, men's
Bibi sida. Akwa kete kura ya wono kwa wo. Na olumo afo na so mokwa. What is the big deal about it? A word of Bia one star.
Kofi,
what am I saying? Asofo kromu.
Ernest Breboman.
But also home. I saw me kind of we have to say it. Okay? Na keke. Yakopon wana you. O me be accident go here. O me be go here. Esi fa. Esi kokofum. Kokofum.
Ahoye kofu.
Kokofum. Wa me. Kokofum pa. Kokofo no mo dada wo mo no. Ah. O me be adnakosi. Yo de kaka, obe kaka idachi. Say esi kokofum na mo sisi kokofo no. O twantro che kokofo no. Si bokofo do.
Kofi. It was also the politics.
The politics. Me ka asem na be si asem so. Asem say asem
it's all the spiritual realm.
Me we asem te no bibi be si bia nyame na menasi. Ti Nyakopon o me ka cho say akando. Nyakopon nim so akwa no ba ye health minister. Ena o ma ase ka krebi to no. Kwa ho no. Ena rush di ne ba kumase. Ti God was telling him so be ye health minister na. Sir, all the health projects in Iran, continue them. Because it's necessary. Keke, what can I cook for? Say, Obama 7,000, Obama. Now, after the cook for the women near Toso, or do 128 cities, and the comes come. Now, they're ya. Now, play a dimpany for best and watch it. A cock will look fum, a cuckoo. Shanaka say, Keke, don't take things for granted. God is reminding you, don't lie to them again. In their politics, I'm telling you as it is, you lie to them. I'm from Kotwaba, Emma, Mahamabayeno. These were some of the lies they gave them about the plane. They lied on the plane, they lied on the cocoa farm. Intino, sir, and one coupon so, a diabom so, Mufankakam. Where the next remembrance. It's way that be a